Okay, chapter 6. We have 4 subtopics. Okay, 4 small unit generation of electricity, transformer, transmission and distribution of electricity, calculating the cost of electricity consumption. Ini semua kita dah belajar Saya dah ajar dah. Okay, for generation, you need to know about how the electricity is produced, the source of the electrical energy. The main source of energy we have renewable and non-renewable energy. Ini form 2 Form 2 you belajar ni electric. You start with the basic one, electrostatic force, all the charge. Okay, positive, negative charge, and then you learn about the Van de Graaff generator. The right hand grip rule. Do you still remember? Form 2. Ingat lagi tak apa yang belajar form 2? Ataupun semua dah lupa dah. Dah hilang terus dah. Form 2 simple saja. Tapi yang penting how you determine the direction of magnetic field using right hand grip rule. Your thumb pointing to the direction of current and your other fingers pointing to the direction of magnetic field. So this right hand grip rule, petua genggaman tangan kanan, you use it to determine the direction of magnetic field in straight wire, in coiled wire, okay, dalam wayar bergelung, wayar yang straight, and then one more, we use the right hand grip rule to determine the pole of the solenoid. Okay, yang tu form 2. Kalau tak ingat, kena recall balik tengok balik. Okay, and then you learn about the series and parallel circuit. Okay, all the formula. Series circuit, parallel circuit, the voltage, the current, the resistance. Okay, there are a small difference between series and parallel. Okay, and then magnet. So magnet. Okay, for form 3, continue about the electricity transformer. Okay, generation of electricity, renew, the sources lah, sources of energy, renew and non-renew. Okay, and then how electricity is generated using generator. Okay, using generator. And then the type of power station. Here we have various type of power station that you need to know the energy changes. Okay, perubahan tenaga yang berlaku. We have hydroelectric, we have solar, okay, windmill, there is thermal power station. So all these power station, you need to know the energy changes that occur. Okay, let's say a thermal power station, the energy changes involve thermal, we start with the fuel. Okay, we use fuel such as petroleum, charcoal, natural gas. So this fuel is used to heat the water. So the fuel, inside the fuel we have chemical energy. Right? So chemical energy will be transformed into heat energy where we boil the water. Okay, to heat energy. Okay, once the water boil, it produces steam. Then the steam will rotate the turbine. So when the rotation of turbine will produce kinetic energy. So there's three lah. Chemical energy, heat energy, kinetic energy, and the last one, when the turbine rotate the generator will produce electrical energy. So that is the energy changes in the power station. What type of energy changes? Okay. Second unit transformer. Okay, transformer dia recall balik tentang generator. So transformer ni dia basic dia adalah generator lah. Okay. Transformer is built up from soft iron core, magnet, okay, permanent magnet, and also the solenoid, coil of wire or turns of wire. Okay, transformer. We use soft iron core. Why we use soft iron core? Because soft iron core is easily magnetized and demagnetized. Senang untuk dimagnetkan. Senang untuk jadi magnet dan senang untuk buang dia punya sifat magnet. Easily magnetized and easily demagnetized. And then we use turns of wire in the primary coil and secondary coil. So there's a different number of turn of wire in primary coil and secondary coil. Make sure you can identify which one is input that is connected to primary coil and which one is connected to output, which is secondary coil. Okay, transformer. So for the transformer, you need to know their structure. Dibuat daripada apa? Okay, and then we have two types. We have two types of transformer: step up and step down. Step up transformer, step down transformer. So step up to increase the voltage, increase output voltage VO, output voltage. Step down to decrease output voltage, increase, decrease. Okay, down, decrease, up, step up, increase, up the voltage. Okay, output voltage. You want to change the output voltage. Input, we connected to the AC current, alternating current, alternating current input. We use alternating current connected to primary coil. So you need to know the structure and also the symbol. Which one is connected to AC? Which one connected to output? Right. Okay. And then the last one is the calculation. How to calculate NS over VS equal to NP over VP. Okay, primary, secondary, the ratio. Okay, 6.3, subtopic number 3, transmission and distribution of electricity. This one we divide into two lah. Okay, we transmit the voltage first and then we distribute according to the heavy industry, light industry and home. Okay, transmission of electricity, we start with the power station. Okay, and then we increase the voltage from power station. We'll increase the voltage by using step up transformer. Okay. Right, and then we go to the national grid network. Okay, national grid network. So this one 11 kilovolt will become 132.145 kilovolt. Okay, after the voltage pass through the step up transformer. This one for transmission. Okay, and then for distribution, we start with the branch substation. Okay, branch substation, main substation. Okay, so the voltage will be decreased. Okay, will be decreased according to the usage. So this one we divide into heavy industry, light industry, and home. Okay, alright. This one got the certain value lah, a certain value of the voltage after pass through the step down transformer. Okay, from main substation, from National Grid Network, go to main substation, after main substation, branch substation, and then to step down transformer. Okay, after that, it is distributed to heavy industry, light industry, and home. Okay, our home received 240 volt. Right? And then how to calculate the cost of electricity consumption. This one. Okay. How to calculate the cost? Use the formula P equal to IV. Wait. Energy, energy equal to PT, not P equal to IV. Sorry, energy, electrical energy, power times time. Okay, so to find the electrical energy used each month, okay, power must be in kilowatt. Let's say you use a washing machine. The power of a washing machine is 2000 watts, and you use it every day for 2 hours. For 2 hours. Okay, let's say the question asks you, what is the electrical energy usage in a month? Let's say in 30 days. Okay, and then calculate the cost. If 1 unit is ringgit Malaysia 0.2 or 20 cents lah. Okay, so for this one, you must calculate the total energy consumption first. Okay, the unit must be in kilowatt hour. Sekejap settle lah anak saya. Yeah, sorry. Right, continue. Nah tadi kat mana dah? Okay, calculating. Macam mana nak kira kos penggunaan tenaga elektrik? Okay, bil elektrik yang kita bayar setiap bulan. So this one kita kira berapa dia punya perbezaan daripada bulan lepas dengan yang current month. Okay, bulan terkini dengan bulan lepas. Okay, dia akan kira how many unit that you use. Alright, for example this one lah. Okay, we use the unit must be in kilowatts hour. Kilowatts from power, P, and hour from time. E equal to PT. Right? So power must be in kilowatts. Let's say the power used is 2000 watts. You must to convert into kilowatts. 2000 watts convert to kilowatts. So this one you must divide by 1000. Divide by 1000. Kilo is 1000. Okay, kilo is the prefix. Kilo, centi, tera, giga, mega, kilo, desi, centi, micro, pico. That's always prefix. Okay, prefix yang basic you kena tahu. Kalau next year ada physics. Right. So from smaller value to bigger value, you need to divide. So we got 2 kilowatts. 2 kilowatts time. The time must be in hour. So here easy lah. Okay, times 2 hour. And then for 30 days, okay, you need to time 30. For 30 days for a month lah. Okay, depends on the question. Now we get the total energy 2 times 2 times 30. How much? 30 times 4. 120. Huh? Is it 120? 120 joule. Or kilowatt hour. Joule or kilowatt hour. Okay. And then how much you need to pay for 120 kilowatt hour? So this one you need to times with 20 cent. Time with 20 cent. Kiralah berapa. Okay, berapa sen, berapa ringgit Malaysia yang you akan dapat. Okay, calculating the cost of electricity consumption. Okay, yang ni physics. Form 5 pun you belajar lagi ya. Form 5 masih lagi belajar benda yang sama. So this one mesti kena tahulah. Okay. Alright. Ada soalan nak tanya untuk yang chapter 6? Tak ada We have 29 here. Ada 29 orang dekat sini. Semua boleh faham ke? Tak ada soalan Okay, saya nak masuk exercise. Dah ada dekat dalam WhatsApp. Okay, download je. Tengok dekat situ. Kalau tak boleh masuk GC, tengok je dekat WhatsApp. Okay, yang ni topikal lah. Kita ikut topik. Bila dah habis nanti kita ulang balik, cari balik soalan lain. Okay, this one for PBD. Okay, number 1. Ready ya? Ada buku, buat draft sikit lah untuk jawapan ya. Kita bincang sikit-sikit lah. Number 1A, label the following power stations with the correct source of energy. Okay, the source of energy. Still remember the source of energy, we have two type of sources, renewable and non-renewable energy. Renew means it will not finish. Non-renewable means it will finish. It will run out one day. So number 1A1. Okay. This one is easy, right? Ni rasa you boleh buat sendiri ni. Number 1. We have wind. So you need to write the source of energy. Come from where? Is it come from wind? Is it come from water? Okay. Then number 3, number 4. What's that? The pictures look same. Smoke come out. Number 3, the building is bigger. Okay. Ada nuclear energy, and the other one is maybe thermal. Thermal use fossil fuel. So the source is fossil fuel, and the other one is radioactive substance, nuclear. Okay. Saya nak tulis dekat jawapan dekat buku. Buat sekarang. Buat sekarang. Okay, B1. Fill in the blanks with the correct answers. What energy sources are the source of energy that can be continually and will never deplete? What's the answer? What type of energy? For number 1, we have okay. If the question asks you the sources, so you must write the sources of energy. Don't write the name of the power station. So where the sources come from? Is it from fossil fuel? Is it from wind? Is it from water? So not the name of the power station. So kalau dia nak name, so you write down the, for example, water, the power station is hydroelectric. Okay, hydroelectric. So water, this one, hydro also can. Okay, the question one, the source. The source, the main source. Okay, number 1. Okay, number 1B. Which type of energy are the source of energy that can be what? This one is the meaning lah. Yeah, either renew or non-renew. Okay, B2. Boleh ha? Salin terus, salin sekarang, buat sekarang, jangan tunggu esok. Right, B2, give 3 examples of sources of energy that are renewable and non-renewable. So 3 examples. List down 3 examples of sources. Renewable. Okay, which one can be renewed? Which one cannot be renewed? Non-renew. Non-renew. 3 tu dah cukup. Apa? Renew tahu kan? So list down 1, 2, 3. This one also 1, 2, 3. Boleh? Can refer to the textbook. Wind, solar, water, biomass, geothermal, petroleum, natural gas, charcoal, nuclear, decay. Right? Ni band tu TP2. This one you should know lah. Okay, because it's easy. Okay, number 2, transformer. Draw the symbol. Okay, draw the symbol for the above transformer in the space provided. Then label. Label the symbol by using the words given below. Okay, how to draw the symbol? This is the structure of transformer. We have primary, secondary, primary coil, secondary coil, the input and output. So how to draw the symbol? Do not copy the diagram above. No. Jangan copy yang atas. You need to draw the symbol of the transformer. Boleh yang ni? Yang macam mana lukis? We have 1 or 2 straight line at the center and then the coil. Okay, the coil. So look at the coil, this one is less, the primary coil less than secondary coil. So you punya coil at the left side is less. Okay, and then the input and output. Be careful with the number of turn. Okay, tengok betul-betul transformer dia punya number of turn of the wire of the coil, the solenoid. Okay, kalau you terbalik salah lah. Okay, if you draw opposite, so your answer is wrong. And then label. Label which one is primary coil and which one is secondary coil. So I remind you primary coil must be connected to the input. Primary coil must be connected with input or AC current, alternating current or power supply. Okay. Ingat primary coil. Tak kisahlah dia dekat sebelah kanan ke, sebelah kiri ke, as long as it connected with the AC or power supply or input, so that one will become the primary coil. Nampak je ada AC current ataupun simbol wave macam ni. So the coil is primary coil. Okay. Then say the name of the transformer. B. What is the name of this transformer? Okay, how to identify the type of transformer? By looking at the number of turn. Okay, by looking at the number of turn. So the secondary coil turn, number of turn of wire at secondary coil more than primary coil, means this one is step up transformer. Step up transformer. Tengok bilangan gegelung. If the output or secondary coil is higher, then the name is step up. If the secondary coil less number of turn, become step down. Okay, step 2 characteristic of this transformer. Okay. The input voltage VI is then the output voltage. So compare. You compare the output voltage and input voltage. Which one is input voltage? Which one is output voltage? By looking at the diagram again. So input voltage is at the input lah. Okay. And output voltage at the output. So tengok, depends on the number of turn of wire. Which one is larger, which one is smaller. So this means here the input voltage is smaller. Smaller, bigger. Kalau dia buat comparison other than, so you must use smaller, bigger, larger, like that. Okay. And then it has less number in the, okay. So when you state which one has less number of turns, which coil, then in the, so state in primary coil or secondary coil. Okay. Next, number 3. Ini dalam RBT pun ada belajar kan, pin plug ni. The diagram below shows the wiring in a 3-pin plug. We have 2 type of plug, 3-pin and 2-pin. Okay, 3-pin we have earth wire compared to 2-pin plug. 2-pin plug for the electrical appliance that dia punya cover tu plastik, macam radio, hair dryer. Okay, tu semua guna 2-pin plug. Okay, yang 3-pin plug ni biasa yang heavy lah, heavy machine, electrical appliance that coated with cover with the metal. Okay, sebab kita nak prevent short circuit. Okay, so mesti ada earth wire for 3-pin plug. Okay, this one still remember dia punya color and then dia punya position ni. Saya dah minta you ingatkan, remember. Kita ada 3 jenis wire. Okay, we have live wire, we have earth wire and neutral wire. Okay, live wire must be, ada punya position, must be connected to fuse. You ingat yang ni satu sahaja, live wire must be next to fuse. mesti dekat fuse. Mesti ada dekat fuse. Kenapa mesti ada dekat fuse? Kenapa mesti ada dekat fuse? Because live wire bring the current from the source, from the substation. Okay, we receive 240 volt into our house, connected straight to directly by live wire. That's why live wire must be fixed with the fuse to control the current flow. If accidentally the current flow more than 240 volt, what happen? The main circuit breaker will drop off. It will break down. That is the function of fuse, control the current flow. Okay, so jangan confuse lah. Fuse dia control current flow. I current, symbol for current. Dan tadi saya cakap voltage kan. So kalau voltage tinggi, arus tinggi lah. Okay, kalau voltage tinggi, arus tinggi. So fuse to control current. Okay, to make sure that the voltage, if the voltage exceed more than 240, so the current also will exceed. Right? And then we have earth wire. This one will bring the excess current ground to the ground. Grounded. Ini kalau ada excess current. And then the third one we have neutral wire. What is the function of neutral wire? To return, bring the current back to the substation. Okay, hantar balik. Yang tadi bawa live, dia masuk, allow the current enter into your house. Neutral, it return back to the substation. Okay. Ini sebut return lah, senang nak ingat. Okay, return. Right. Then you need to know the color. What's the color of live wire, earth wire, and neutral wire? Okay, now label. Number 3A. Label the wiring system in the 3-pin plug in the space provided above by using the words given. Okay, dia dah bagi hint. Soalan semua yang dah bagi hint, dah ada jawapan untuk you pilih. Make sure dia punya spelling mesti betul. Spelling must be correct. Tak ada salah satu pun, tak ada tertinggal satu letter pun. Okay, kalau dia dah bagi dekat bawah, dalam soalan dah bagi hint dekat bawah, so make sure dia punya spelling mesti betul. Jangan tertinggal. Dah bagi dekat bawah pun salah lagi. So make sure betul. Okay, so mana position dia? Okay, what is A, B, C? Saya dah inform tadi. Okay, live wire must be fixed with the fuse. We know this one is fuse. Control the current. Okay, so this one is live wire. Spell. The spelling must be correct. And then, where is earth wire? Earth wire strip, yellow green stripe. A lah. Okay, this one is earth wire. Bring the excess current grounded. And then this one is neutral wire. Okay, the blue one. Okay, number 3B. Match wires A, B, and C with the correct characteristic. So ni dia punya function atau dia punya main lah. Main characteristic dia. Voltan. The flowing voltage is 240 volts. Which one tadi? Which one? That bring in 240 volt. Okay, it is live wire. Okay, live wire. Excess current is channeled to the earth. Okay, earth wire, and then international color code is blue, is neutral wire. Easy, right? TP3, minimum, tahap minimum TP3. Okay, state 2 safety components that can be found in a 3-pin plug. So we can see inside the 3-pin plug already got 2 safety components to bring the excess current or to prevent the excess current, to prevent you from getting the short circuit, electric shock. So we have 2, which is earth wire and fuse. Okay. Right, D. Name an electrical appliance that is equipped with a 3-pin plug. I already mentioned just now. Okay, yang mana electrical appliance yang guna 3-pin plug, yang apa? Cover with the metal, yang heavy machine. Fikir sendiri, apa dia heavy machine. Number 4. The diagram below shows 2 different type of bulbs that have the same brightness. Okay, this one about efficiency. Okay, what is meant by energy efficiency? Okay, it has same brightness but the power is different. Okay, this bulb have 60 volt. This is ini bulb yang biasa, contain filament inside it, got filament, and this one is CFL. Bulb Q made from CFL, compact fluorescent lamp. And we have one more, which is LED, the latest one, the newest one, yang paling efficient, LED. So here we have a normal bulb, okay, and CFL, fluorescent lamp, compact fluorescent lamp. Okay, what is meant by energy efficiency? Efficiency, how much efficient the machine works. How much efficient. Okay, macam mana dia punya efficient means that kalau kita buat kerja dengan efficient, maksudnya kita buat kerja dengan perfect, complete. Kalau kita buat kerja, kalau manusia buat kerja dengan efficient, mesti dia buat dengan cepat. Okay, tak perlu suruh dah siap. Itu maksudnya efficient. Sekali suruh dah siap. Cepat, siap, perfect, tak ada salah, tu maksudnya efficient. So kalau electrical appliance, apa maksud dia energy efficiency? Okay, maksud kalau efficiency, kalau kita bagi dia 100% input, okay, let's say we provide 100% energy, input energy 100%, means if it can produce output energy almost 100%, means that the appliance are energy efficient. Sangat berkesan. Okay. Let's say tak ada. We don't for now we don't have electrical appliance that can give 100% of output energy. Cannot, maybe you can get 80. Okay, 80 pun dah bagus lah, 80%. So maksudnya kalau electrical appliance yang boleh bagi output energy yang besar, percentage yang besar, so means it has high energy efficiency. Okay. So kalau dekat sini kita tengok this bulb, the first bulb maybe produce 30% of output energy, and CFL can produce 80%. of output energy. Why? Why we have a comparison here? Because bulb, it has filament. This filament need to be heated in order to produce the light. Okay. In order to produce the light, it must be heated. Now, what happens if the filament is heated? It will produce high temperature. Okay, so it will lose more of energy, wasted energy in terms of heat energy. Okay, if you provide 100% of input energy to this bulb, okay, it only will produce 30% of output energy because 70% more loss through the heat energy. Understand? So this for bulb lah, because it need more heat in order to light up the filament. Nak bagi cerah yang sama level dengan CFL, dia perlukan haba yang banyak. So it produce more heat, and the heat also will be wasted rather than their punya brightness. Okay. Compared to CFL, we give it 100%, but it produce 80%, more efficient compared to the bulb. Okay. So here number 4A means that the output energy converted to useful form of energy. The percentage of energy used, converted to useful form of energy what? Apa maksud? Okay. Ni Syari ya. Syari tengok dalam buku teks apa dia punya meaning. Kena letak apa dekat dalam line dekat sini. What type of energy converted to useful form of energy what? Mana nak letak tenaga input, which one, where to put output energy and input energy. Okay. KB, calculate electric power used by both bulbs for 1 hour for an hour usage. Okay, calculate an electric power used by both bulb for an hour usage. Okay, untuk 1 jam berapa dia punya power used? Ni tak perlu kira. Ini tak perlu nak kira lah. Dia dah ada dekat atas. Power dah ada dekat atas. 60 watts and 50 watts. Okay, tak perlu nak kira ni. Hitung kuasa. Calculate electric power. Not energy. This one supposed to be energy. Okay, tukar kepada energy yang ni. Okay, kalau dia kata calculate electric power, so power already mentioned above. Power for P is 60 watts and power for Q is 14 watts. So calculate calculate electric energy use. So kalau energy, we can find E equal to PT. So for EP, energy for bulb P can say 60 times 1. Or 60 times 1 hour. Yang ni tak perlu tak perlu tukar kepada kilowatt, tak perlu tukar kepada kilowatt. Yang ni dia tak suruh kira berapa ringgit. Okay. Bila dia suruh you kira berapa ringgit, baru you tukar kepada kilowatt. So this one is 60 joule. 60 joule. Okay, the unit for energy is joule. Okay, and then for Q, okay, sama je. Equation sama, PT, so this one is 14 times 1. Okay, 14 joule. Okay. Okay, B2, which fuel is more energy efficient? Yes, saya dah explain tadi. Okay, boleh ya? Which one is more energy efficient, and then explain why. Okay. Ini nanti jawab. This one is OSK. Number one is OSK. CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope. Number 2, transformer. 4 soalan je. 4 objektif. 4 soalan objektif. Nanti yang ni jawab. Bahagian B, wind, wind turbine, true or false. True or false. Kalau dia cakap true, false, you write down true or false. Okay. You ni kadang-kadang kalau buat true false, buat cross lah, buat tick lah. Macam-macam simbol ada. Okay, B. Comparison between transformer A and transformer B. Look at the turn of wire, the number of turn of wire. Dia nak, you name it, namakan sahaja. Number 2, transmission and distribution. Okay, name the electricity transmission and distribution system. Okay. Number 2, explain the importance of structure M and N. Mana M, mana N? Okay, M. M should be the transformer lah. Okay, what type of transformer is it? So M and N. Apa beza dia? M and N. Okay. Now this one I already mentioned. M to increase the voltage, and N from 11 to 240. What type of transformer here? Is it step up or step down? Okay. Explain the importance. Mr. Daniel is planning to build his house at location A. Give your opinion about the plan with a suitable reason. Location A. Oh, location A dekat tengah-tengah pylon ni. Okay, see here. By the diagram, location A, the national grid network between the pylon. So this one is band 6 lah. You must evaluate. Construction of a house at location A is it good? Baik ke? Boleh ke buat tengah-tengah pylon tu? Okay. Why? And then explain why. This is because location A is a, is it a high voltage or low voltage? And then what happened? What can produce magnetic field? Magnetic field. Okay, the white. Two strong levels will be the voltage. Okay, increase to strong level. Magnetic fields can be harmful to human lah. Okay, C. This one also band 6. Compare between two house, ordinary house and green. Application of green technology here. In your opinion, which type of house should be built? Justify your opinion. Okay, write the value and easy to build. And this one got 30% energy and water saving. So fikir sendirilah yang mana, you pilih yang mana. Yang murah dengan energy dengan saving dia high, or dia punya energy saving dia low. Ada dia punya energy saving, yang ni tak ada energy saving. Okay, boleh okay, nanti next class kita continue dengan chapter 7, but make sure you finish this first, finish the tutorial chapter 6. Habiskan yang ni dulu. Tulis jawapan sahaja, tak perlu nak salin soalan. Kalau you ada printer, download and print out. Paste in your notebook, tanpa dalam buku. Dah ya? Ada soalan nak tanya? Tung En? Rini? Rini Chia? Rini Chan? Wong De Jin? Ada nak tanya apa-apa? Tak ada. Out of topic? Tak ada. Benda lain? Nak inform saya apa-apa? Ada any news ke? Any news ke apa ke? Ada masalah ke? Macam berapa orang? 30. Tadi 31. 30 ya. Dia punya soalan exam. Not sure lah. Kita dah raizo banyak dah. Soalan semua rasanya dah siap. Cuma nak susun je lah. Itulah kita tinggal tunggu arahan je. Tunggu arahan. Misalnya ada kot, nanti membazir lah. Sebab semua soalan dah raizo. Kemungkinan akan ada, ya, kalau bulan 7 ni buka sekolah adalah. Lepas buka sekolah tu adalah lepas cuti raya haji. Dan kita sampai 26 tu buka sekolah, mungkin dia akan aturkan exam. Kalau masih lagi PDPR tu saya tak tahulah. Mungkin yang midterm tu tukar jadi final pula. Tak tahu Tunggu je arahan. Tunggu je lah. Okay. Lagi tak ada? Tapi nanti you akan ada ujian literasi ya. Macam last year kita buat dekat makmal komputer. Kita pakai laptop dekat makmal komputer. Dekat Google Classroom. Blok C. Untuk literasi ada 4 subjek. Keuangan, sains, bahasa English, okay. Satu lagi apa? Matematik. Bahasa, sains, matematik, keuangan. 4 subjek dalam 2 jam. Dalam 2 jam. You kena buat. Tapi yang ni petang ni baru ada taklimat. Saya tak pastilah macam mana dia nak buat tu. Tak tahu bila. Tapi yang tu bukan ujian lah. Sekadar dia nak survey. Dia nak survey untuk dia punya literasi. Boleh membaca ke, tak boleh baca ke. Tapi yang ni kita akan pilih. Kalau tahun lepas kita akan pilih satu kelas depan, satu kelas tengah dan satu kelas hujung. Okay lah. Tak ada soalan dah? Soalan lain tak ada? Makan cukup. Tidur cukup. Tidur masih dah cukup soal ni. Ada yang efek dengan COVID-19 ke? Ada. Kalau ada masalah nanti PM saya lah. Kalau ada kawan-kawan awak tu, bagi tahu cikgu. Okay, thank you class. Jumpa hari Khamis. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Cikgu, terima kasih cikgu.
Okay.